Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. Yes, so we'll begin shortly, right? Let's wait for the others to join in as well. I hope my voice is clear since the fan is quite loud in the background, right? So let me know in case the voice is not clear. All right. So I hope your PowerPoint presentations are ready. How many of you are ready to present? All right. So are these yes for that you are ready to present? So Ajit, Tamanna, and Surbi Sharma. Gurjot is ready as well, and Amandeep is also ready. Okay, wonderful. Manav Sharma, Gurjinder Singh, Vishakha. All right. So students, before we begin, a few ground rules I would want to share. Right. So first of all, please no indiscipline of any sort. I know you are all wonderful students, right? And I never had to face any problem with you. In this case as well, I would expect, that our class remains disciplined no matter what, right? And all of you as listeners, as well as when you are presenting, right, be on your best behavior. वैसे तो you all are grown up kids, I don't even need to tell you this thing, right? And yes, in case you have any problem sharing the PPT, you can let me know. So I'll be making the person who is going to present, I'll make that person a co-host. Once you are done presenting, you're supposed to make me the host again. All right? Because I really want to make this work, make this exercise work, right? So and that is only possible if you, all of you are coordinating with me, cooperating with me, and you are also maintaining proper decorum in the class. So before we begin, just let me take the screenshots of the participants I have here with me so that I can mark your presence. Also, I believe most of you have already submitted your assignments. In case anybody is left, do that by evening, right? All right. So I think it will be a good idea if we begin turn by turn, right? We can begin alphabetically. So Ayush, are you ready to present? No issues. You can
No,
simply tell me yes or no, and that will be good, right?
no,
All right. So maybe next time in the next class or next week.
yes, no.
All right. Adarsh, are you ready to present?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, beta, I am going to make you the co-host so that you can share your screen.
मैम मेरे साथ मैम गुरजोत है तो उसको होस्ट बना दो
Okay.
उसने शेयर
All
कर
right.
दिया
Good job. So, ठीक है बेटा. Yes, Gurjot, you may present it now. Okay,
मैम शैल आई
wonderful.
स्टार्ट
Yes, please go ahead.
Good morning to all. My name is Darshraz, and today I am here to present a PPT on the topic The Scam, which is based on the person named Mr. Harshad Shantilal Mehta, the so-called Big Bull. The PPT is made by my friend Gurjot Singh. So let's begin. The guy in the frame with black Lexus is Harshad Mehta. He was born on 29 July 1953 and died of cardiac arrest on 31 December 2001. He was stockbroker by profession and educated in the field of commerce. He was the face behind the scam of year 1992. He started the working life as an employee of New India Assurance Company. Here he met the person named P. Ambalal, a stockbroker. He is who encouraged him to quit the job and to start investing his job and sought a job with the stockbroker P. Ambalal affiliated to Bombay Stock Exchange. He became a jobber of BSE for stockbroker P.D. Shukla. In 1981, he became a sub-broker for stock brokers J.L. Shah and Nandalal Seth. He knows each and every loopholes of banking system, so he took the advantage of that and this led to the biggest scam ever. He triggered Sensex in 1992 and made the scam by diverting funds of 4,000 crore. The instrument which were used in the scam was ready forward deals and bank receipt. Ready forward deals. Secured short-term loan, typically of 15 days, loan from one bank to another. Bank lends against securities. A broker usually bring two banks together, for which he is paid commission. The securities and payments were delivered through the broker in the settlement process. In such settlement, bank may not know with whom they are dealing with. Karad and Metropolitan Cooperative Bank had issues fake bank which he earns the money. Now the question is who exposed this scam. So the lady behind the exposure of this scam was a columnist in the Times of India at that time, and her name was Sujita Dalal. On April 23rd, 1992, journalist Sujita Dalal writes a section, and this was the time when the and
Students, I believe there was a network issue, right? So, Gurjot, can you resume from where we left? Yes, Gurjot.
मैम फ्रॉम वेयर?
हाँ जी.
मैम कौन सी साइड से?
हाँ जी. Last we were at, telling you, but talking about the journalist, Suchita Dalal. So you can share the
ओके मैम.
screen again.
So, ma'am, now the question is who exposed this scam? So, the lady behind the exposure of this scam was a columnist in the Times of India at that time, and her name was Suchita Dalal. On April 23rd, 1992, journalist Suchita Dalal writes a column in financial section of Times of India about this biggest scam. And this was the time when the word scam was first in time introduced to India. She starts researching on him after a source from SBI Bank told the truth to her. And after this scam comes to everybody's sight, and then government and police took action against him. These are the action which was taken against the Harshal Mehta. He was later charged with 72 criminal offences and more than 600 civil action suits were filed against him. He was arrested and banned from stock market. That means he cannot invest in 1992. And then on 31st December 2001, he was died of heart attack in police custody. The PPT is created by Gurjot Singh and is presented by me, Adarsh Raz. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. So that was a wonderful effort from your side, Gurjot and others. Right. I'm yet to see this series and read about Harshad Mehta, but your PPT has, increased my interest, and I would definitely want to watch the series. Right. You presented it well. The graphics were really matching with the theme that you picked up, and the text was just right on the screen. Right. So in some slides, you could just omit the text, right? Shorten it more so that we focus more on hearing you, right? Hearing you speak. Other than that, it was a wonderful effort. Had we been in the class, I would have made the class clap for you. All right. So good growth and others, keep that up. I really like your effort. So who would like to go next? Let's. I am going to ask, alphabetically only. So Abhishek, is your PPT ready, or did I ask you already? Yes, Abhishek. हाँ जी बच्चे. Good morning.
I'm ready.
Beta, can you be louder?
I'm ready.
Ready है? Okay, beta. So, would you like to present it on your own, or you have somebody with you? हाँ जी बेटा, आपकी ना आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही. Can you write it in the chat for me? I'm not sure if it is the network issue at my end or is it at your end. Yes, Abhishek, do tell me what you were trying to say. हाँ जी अभिषेक. Better just convey it in the chat. I couldn't hear you. All right, no problem. So he was saying Rishant is doing with him, all right, and you will be ready in 10 minutes. No problem at all. So moving on further, Ajit, are you ready with your PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ajit. So I'm going to make you the host now. You may present it, and then you can make me the host again, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So you can share the screen and present.
Ma'am, host is Adarsh.
Oh, sorry, let me check. Okay, Adarsh, kindly make me the host again. Yes, Adarsh. Hanji, thank you. So now Ajit is the host. All right.
Good morning to all. My name is Aditi Kaur. Today I am going to present my views on the power of music to reduce the stress. The soothing power of music is well established. It has a unique link to our emotions, so can be extremely effective stress management tool. What we are looking forward, how does music release stress? Beyond music to sounds, the healing power of the vibration, and the benefits of music therapy. Music can affect the body in many health promoting ways, which is the basis for growing field known as music therapy. When to use music and sounds for stress relief. During a commute, as your mind down to the bed, while getting ready for your day, while doing chores, while on deadline, during a significant life change. Music connects with the automatic nervous system, brain function, blood pressure, and heartbeat, and the limbic system where your feelings and emotions live. Research on music, music forms and structure can bring order and security to disable and distress the children. It encourages coordination and communication, so improves their quality of life. Listening to music on headphones reduce stress and anxiety in hospitals. Patients before and after surgery can relieve depression and increase self-esteem ratings in elderly people. Next, we see music therapy, beyond music to sound, and healing power of the vibration. What is music therapy? Because music has the potential to influence us both physiologically and psychologically, it is important area of therapy for stress management. It can make use of biofeedback, guided imaginary, and other established techniques to play an important role in the treatment of people with stress related disorder. Meditation. Certain music is appropriate for meditation as it can help the mind slow down and initiation the relaxation response. Thinking more clearly. Listening to music can help the brain by improving learning and memory skills under useful when we are under stress. Beyond music to sound, just as music impacts mood and the nervous system, so can sounds of all kinds. The nature sound correlated with an increase in the autonomic nervous system, parasympathetic response, or rest digest response. The nature sound correlated with this helps the body relax and function in normal circumstances. healing power of the vibration. It can help to stimulate the lymphatic system, increase metabolism, regulate blood sugar, improve sports performance, aid in sport recovery, and promote wound healing. Next is a video. Let us see that. Sometimes music is the only thing. Thank you, ma'am.
That was wonderful. Ajay, that was amazing. I really loved the presentation, right? And you picked a very different topic, and the way you explained it, how you linked it to its benefits, that was wonderfully done. Right. So again, I really wanted to appreciate you all. Had this been face to face, it would have been certainly more fun. However, let's make do with whatever is possible right now. Right. So that was a good effort, Ajit. I loved your effort. So who would like to
Thank
go
you, ma'am.
next? Okay, Amandeep, should we now? Are you ready to present?
यस मैम मैम मेरे साथ सत्यम मैम आप उसको होस्ट बना दो
Who is Satyam?
यस मैम
All right.
यस मैम
So where is Satyam? Okay, okay. So, okay, this is a good idea. Yes, Vishal, do guide me about it. I did not know there is some option like that. Security, option of screen share. All right. So, is this on my home page? Let me check. All right, in Zoom. So just give me a minute, students. So Vishal here has suggested that I can, without shifting the host also, this can be done. So I'm just checking that, how that can be done because that would be more convenient for sure. I am kind of unable to find those settings. Let me check.
मैम आप स्टूडेंट का नेम सेलेक्ट करके उसको स्क्रीन शेयर करने का ऑप्शन दे सकते हो
Okay, okay. That is it. All right. So, okay, let me try that. So, who was, okay, Sarthak is supposed to present. Satyam is supposed to present, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not sure that option is here. I'm getting the option to chat, make host, rename, put in waiting room, or report and remove. So how do we do that? बेटा आपने ये लैपटॉप पे ट्राई किया और did you try it on your cell phone?
मैम फोन की सेटिंग पे भी हो जाता है मैम
Okay, phone की setting पे भी हो जाता है.
यस मैम
So maybe it is different on the cell phone and different for the laptop here since I am using a laptop. So make host, rename, put in waiting. I don't think so. There is this option of sharing the screen share. Or do I try from my cell phone as well? Yes, just give me a minute. I can, I'll try logging in from my cell phone as well and we'll see if this thing works. I really thank you for your patience. Let me just figure this out. Okay, so it is available in advanced options of share screen at the bottom. Let's see that. Oh, that is good. Yes, that was really convenient. You can share all participants. Yes. Okay, now let's try this. So Manav gave a very good suggestion. All right, beta, can you try sharing the screen from your end, Satyam?
ओके मैम मैं ट्राई करता हूँ
हाँ जी, try करो. Maybe that works. Let's see.
यस मैम स्क्रीन
Oh,
शो हो रही
that
है
is good. Thank you very much, Manav. I appreciate that.
ओके मैम लेट्स स्टार्ट
Yes, please go ahead whenever you are ready.
ओके सो good morning to all of you. First of all, thanks to all of you for giving opportunity to present a presentation in front of you. Myself, Satya Kumar Singh, but sometimes my friend and parents call Shivam Sundaram. And I am a student of BTech first year computer science engineering at Raipur Khalsa College. And this presentation is presented by Satyam Kumar Singh and Amandeep. And over to you, Amandeep. Tell about yourself.
Uh, uh, my name is Tony Stark, but sometimes people call me Amandeep. So today I am very excited about what we have conversation today, and we have a conversation on the water resources. So I need all the participants to have their physically, but also be mentally. And this is not a monologue; this is a dialogue. So remind it. Over to Satya.
Thank you, Aman. So my today topic is based on water resource. So before moving a topic, I want to ask something. Anyone who wants to tell me what is water? Anyone?
Yes, I can say that water is 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen.
Okay. So let's see. So water. Let's move to the next slide. Water is a transparent fluid which forms the world, streams, lakes, oceans. It means transparent means जिसके आर पार हम देख सकते हैं. तो water ऐसी चीज है जो world, streams, lakes और oceans form करती है. And we would have to take care of water because in a few years there are not going to be enough water for us. मतलब water की हमें बचत करने की कुछ साल के बाद हमें water पर्याप्त मात्रा में नहीं मिल पाए. And what is mean resource? A resource is a source or supply from which a benefit is produced. मतलब रिसोर्स चीज है जो हमें बेनिफिट प्रोड्यूस करके सप्लाई करती है. फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर रिसोर्स. एंड इन दिस स्लाइड we focus on the image of earth. We see that a graphical distribution of location of water on earth, and nearly about 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. मतलब nearly 71% का surface जो water से covered है. And this image divided in 3 parts: cold water, fresh water, and liquid fresh surface water. Or in all water, fresh water only 2.4%. It's a huge big difference. And ocean 97 point something percent. And in fresh water, groundwater 12.0%, or fresh surface water 0.8%, ice and snow 87.2%. And in third image, liquid fresh surface water, solid mixture 23.8%, moisture in plants and animal 23.8%, atmosphere 4.8%, and so on, etc. So we move this next slide. And water resource. Water resource are source of water that are useful or potentially useful. And uses of water include agriculture, industrial, household, recreational, and environmental activities. Use of water in agriculture, mostly worldwide water used in agriculture, include mainly irrigation, fertilizer. And water used in industrial water used for fabricating, processing, washing, cooling, etc. In domestic water used for indoor and outdoor purpose like drinking, bathing, washing clothes, etc. And virtually all of these human use require fresh water. Mostly human requirement is fresh water. So let's move the next slide. And water uses in agriculture is important topic. So let's move next slide. In agriculture, mostly worldwide, about nearly 70% water uses include mainly irrigations, fertilizers, and sanitizing. Irrigation means irrigation helps to grow agriculture crops, maintain landscapes, and etc. Different types of irrigations: surface irrigation, sprinkle irrigations, drip irrigations, traditional irrigation, and etc. So we focus on the drip irrigations. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation. मतलब ड्रिप इरिगेशन वो स्मॉल माइक्रो इरिगेशन होता है जो सेविंग वाटर के लिए भी यूज होता है, क्योंकि ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम अलो वाटर टू ड्रिप स्लोली, या स्लोली ड्रिप वाटर को अलो करता है, एंड इट्स यूज फॉर सेविंग फॉर वाटर. And you can read this article also. We take 20 and 30 seconds. Okay, so I have done from my side. So let's fly alone. Over to you, Amandeep.
Jarvis, wear my suit now. Jokes apart, let's focus on the slide and industrial water uses. So in the slide, we can talk about how industry water can be used. Next slide.
Okay, let's move next slide.
According to United States Geological Survey, USGS, industrial water is also used for fabricating, processing, washing, diluting, cooling, and transporting of the product. And industrial water also used for mainly the process of chemicals, oils, and the formation of the in the paper industry. And the next slide.
Okay, let's move next slide.
So next slide is household water uses. So everyone know about the how can we use household water uses, and how can we use water in our households to follow our daily routines like washing, cooking, bathing, etc. Activities we have done in our daily routines. Next topic.
Okay, let's move next slide.
So there is a topic of household water. So I need all participants to focus on the third line. Basic household water requirement have been estimated by Peter Glick around 50 liters per person per day. So I don't think so, because the person like me, I used to take showers 2 to 3 times in a week, and not bathing evenly in summer. So I think that the person like me, or many more in the participation, the person like me also have to save water in the major role. So at the last, the water is supplied to household and in the abroad commercial industry. It is all for drinking water standard evenly, so only a very small portion is actually consumed, also used in food preparation. And the human amount of water is also used, but only small amount of water is used for food preparation and actually consumed. So here in the next slide, there will be a question for all the participation. So I think anyone can answer this. He will be a great mind.
Request to all of you participate this quiz.
Next slide.
Let's move next slide.
This is the question. Thank you.
Thank you to all of you for.
And at last, there will be a quote, or that's called Shari. The certain has to be present.
Okay, so wait, I share my screen. So अर्ज किया है.
वाह 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 वाह.
It takes 4 years for a human to become an engineer.
Oh, हमें तो पता ही नहीं था. Thank you
बताने के लिए. 4 years for a human to become an engineer, and then even a lifetime cannot make him a human again.
Oh, so guys, please focus on that slide. So in the degree of 4 year of engineering, you become the human, not engineer. So thank you. And
Thank
at
you.
last, please don't say once more because I am very tired at that time. Please.
And we
Jokes
are so
apart,
busy.
don't take it seriously, guys.
So end the
Thank you.
slideshow. So
Thank
thank
you.
you for all of you. And this presentation is created and presented by Satyam and Amandeep.
Oh, Tony Stark.
All
Tony
right.
Stark.
So that was wonderfully done.
So
And you did, present it in a humorous way. That is also a good idea to keep the audience interested, right? So that was very good effort, both of you, Satyam and Tony Stark. That is what you would prefer. All right. So yes, that was, and the way you focused on various facts, right, about how much water is available and how much do we actually use, that was wonderful, right? I loved the execution and the coordination between you two. So keep up the good effort. I really wish that, we could be here in the class and doing this here rather than doing it over Zoom. Right? So students, the class might end any minute and take your 5 minutes break and then we will meet again. All right?